Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that Windows Terminal users may encounter. Have you ever wondered why Windows Terminal prints the message, "Restore datetime," when you launch it? It can be a bit puzzling, especially if you're not sure what triggered it. Don't worry, we're here to shed some light on the issue. In the solution provided, you'll only see the message, "Restore datetime," when Windows Terminal restores a previous session. This typically happens after a restart or a crash, not during regular tab creation. It's simply an informational message to let you know that your previous session has been restored. Unfortunately, as far as I know, this message cannot be disabled. But hey, at least now you know what triggers it. To summarize, if you see the message "Restore datetime" in Windows Terminal, it means that the application is restoring a previous session, usually after a restart or crash. It's just a little heads up to keep you informed. So next time you encounter this message, you'll know exactly why it's popping up. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!